Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate first actions. Check physical connectivity and NIC LEDs, then open a console or SSH. Run IP-Editor to verify the configured IP and IP route to confirm gateway. Review /etc/resolve. Conf to ensure DNS entries exist. If DHCP is used, check lease status. Make sure you have administrative credentials and a maintenance window, otherwise pause. Once done, document the current state so changes can be reverted if needed. You now dive into diagnostic steps to find the root cause. Ping the gateway and a reliable public IP, then run traceroute to locate where packets stop. Next, inspect firewall rules, list iptables or nftables chains, and check off with status, because blocked ports often cause unreachable errors. Then check critical services with systemctl and review logs via journoctl for recent failures. Finally, confirm listeners with SS or netstat. If a service isn't bound to the expected interface, adjust its config and restart it. You finish by applying targeted fixes and verifying restoration. Restart affected services and reload firewall rules, update IP or gateway settings, or replace a failing NIC if diagnostics indicated hardware faults. Once changes are applied, verify reachability with ping and use curl to test application endpoints. Confirm port access from a client. If problems persist, check MTU mismatches, ARP tables, and proxy rules, clear ARP and restart network interfaces. Make sure to monitor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.